What is up, guys, and welcome to Market Marauder Show, your source for all penny stocks and options. So, gonna be the first episode of this channel. Welcome everybody who has joined. Gonna be talking about penny stocks as well as options trading. So let's jump into it. Without further ado, first one on here. Gonna be talking about penny stocks for the week. Hope everybody had a great week. A lot of crazy things going on in the market overall. But the first stock on here for penny stocks is going to be ticker sign OBSV for OBSEVA. So they ended the week at $4.70. After hours went down to $4.05. So not too bad of a metric for them. They did touch $4.39. So that's the metric that I'm going to be looking for them to touch for next week. We can see that they are bullish, denoted by a moving average 10 line, which is this red line, being above moving average of 50 and 100, which is this yellow and purple line. So overall, good metrics for them. VWAP is also significantly high on them, so I'm going to be looking to see how that performs. If that VWAP can get above that moving average 10, then that's going to be my second confirmation that the stock is overall bullish. So the first confirmation that I use is the moving average 10 being above the 50 and 100. So that one is confirmed. Second one being the VWAP is above moving average 10. But since it's so close, we can see that it potentially can go up above for next week. So on the channel, I like to give some background information on the stock. So let's do that. Going into company's press releases, so it's all public information that you all can look up as well. So it says the company provides update on Yesli, I hope I'm saying that correctly, in their clinical development program. It says European Medicines Agency validates that the product MAA for uterine fibroids, US NDA planned for 1H 2020 or 2021. So NDA being a new drug application, which they're going to submit, which is a really good news for them. And then it says their phase 3 of this Edelweiss 3 study treatment is progressing as planned and expected to read out in Q4 of 2021. Then also they're in phase 3 of this drug as well. And then it says due to enrollment challenges, no safety concerns identified. So they said that this study was discontinued for this portion of this, but they're looking for this MAA to be having an NDA. So I think overall they're still kind of on track with their drug application. So NDA is a new drug application, and there's a whole process of things that these drug manufacturers do as far as submitting and getting their drug out to the public. So it usually goes phase 1, 2, 3, then NDA, and then approval. So I'm going to be looking for some more updates from them going forward. This came out the 11th, so pretty fresh news. Definitely going to be looking for an update for clarification going forward, but definitely keep my eyes out on this stock. Next, we have ticker sign CRNT for Ceragon. Hope I'm saying that right. Ceragon Networks. They touched $6.30 this week. Went to $1, or on the 15th, they went up to $6.30. Then we see they are bullish. Moving average 10 is above 50 and 100. VWAP is above moving average 10. So both of my metrics are confirmed as positive. So I believe this is potentially going to go back up. One metric that I think is very important to consider is after hours, it went up 74 cents to end at $5.59. So showing strong momentum for a continuous push going to the positive side on a potential Monday morning breakout. So background on them, this article came out on the 13th. It says that they announced the date for their fourth quarter and full year 2020 financial results, and that is going to be on Monday, February 8th. So you know, a lot of things going on with this company. Definitely going to be interested to see, their results for their fourth quarter and full year 2020. This is good time for, if you're new to the stock, you haven't, heard of this company, having their company give their full 2020 year results will definitely help show how they fared against the pandemic, because no one really expected that happening, and how the company held up overall. So It's all free information. If you go, you can click on this webcast, and they'll send you the webcast link, and you'll go into the portal. I'd advise going when the actual meeting starts, and not going, early, because you'll be put in like this weird lobby and nothing really be going on. Or if you like to call in, they have the call-in number on here and the access code as well. So definitely going to be interested to see what goes on with that. If you're new to investing, a great opportunity to get a lot of good information on a company. So next we have ticker sign ACER for Acer Therapeutics. This week they touched $4.43. VWAP is still significantly high, which is a very good metric in my opinion. Moving average 10 is still above 50 and 100, so that's good as well. Both confirmations hit as positive on my end, so I'd say they still have more potential to run up for next week. They ended the week at $3.85, and then after hours went up 15 more cents to end at $4 even, so only 43 cents away from that week high that they had last week of $4.43. So going to be looking to see some more momentum from them and see if they can touch this $4.43 resistance that they hit last week. Background on them, the newest article I saw was from the 22nd, which says Acer Therapeutics announces full enrollment of pivotal bioequivalence trial of ACER001 for urea cycle disorder. Then it says top trial results expected in Q1 of 2021, targeting a pre-NDA meeting with FDA in Q2 2021. So definitely some interesting updates coming up from them. Definitely going to be looking for more updates coming in Q1 2021. So probably January, February timeframe, late January, middle February. Going to be looking for an update coming from them on their trial results. And then if they can get that pre-NDA meeting around March or April timeline, I think they're going to be well on their way to have a successful drug out on the market. So definitely going to be looking for more updates from them. And I think the momentum from all these different things coming out will definitely help the stock moving forward, granted that they have positive information and can get that NDA out there to the FDA. So next on here, we have ticker sign AVGR for Avenger. They touched $1.89 this week. And then after that, they kind of went sideways. VWAP is still above moving average 10. Moving average 10 is above 50 and 100, but these are very close metrics, so they're very close to each other. So definitely going to be looking to see how that performs moving forward. I'm going to be interested to see how overall the stock can perform, considering that all four of these metrics are getting very close to each other. They ended the week at $1.47 and then went down to $1.46. So overall, about a 40-cent gap between their week high and where they ended. So going to be looking to see how they perform for next week. Background on them, on January 15th, which when this article was released, they said Avenger initiates full commercial launch of Tigrai image-guided CTO crossing catheter. So Tigrai is kind of their flagship product. Following the company for just a little while, but that's kind of their flagship product that they have, that they're going to be releasing, and it says in the U.S. and in Germany. So definitely going to be looking to see that rollout and how many units they can sell, and how they can roll out that device as time goes on. So this came out the 15th. Going to be looking to see some more updates on their actual rollout since they started their full commercial launch of this Tigrai beginning on the 15th. So definitely going to keep my eyes on them and looking for some more updates from Avenger. Last on here, we have ticker sign JNCE for Jones. They hit $9.22 this week. Overall, on a bullish uptrend, we can see VWAP has gone down and above the moving average 10, but trailed it. So that's a good metric for that. So it seems like on open, it went up above moving average 10, and then it kind of goes back and goes back up. Overall, still bullish in my opinion. Moving average 10 is above 50 and 100. And bear in mind, this is on a 30-minute chart, so that's the chart that I use. You could use whichever chart you'd like. and VWAP is below moving average 10, but seeing the pattern of what it's doing, I think on Monday open it should go and be above moving average 10, which will denote the second confirmation for a bullish breakout. We can see they ended the day or ended the week at $9.12. Then after hours went up 23 cents to end at 9.35. So definitely going to be seeing this VWAP go above moving average 10. We can say that because the moving average, the price that they ended the week at was above their week high. So I think they're going to be starting off at 9.35, which is right here, which is above this 9.22. We can see some potential movement from them. That's always a good sign when a stock ends on a positive note. So just bear that in mind. If a stock ends positive, most likely it's going to go up. It's not always the case. Some stocks go down depending on what's going on. So it's always good to get background information on companies, as much as you can, doing more due diligence. Will definitely help your case when trying to find whether a stock is good or bad to invest in. So going to background on them, this article came out on the 13th of January. So it says, Jounce Therapeutics announces initiation of phase 1 innate study of JTX 8064 monotherapy and PD-1 inhibitor combination therapy in patients with advanced solid tumors. So it says initiates a robust phase 1 study designed to escalate quickly and demonstrate proof of concept for JTX 8064 monotherapy and PD-1I combinations. Tumor-specific expansion cohorts to include PD-L1I resistant and sensitive tumors and PD-L1 native and experienced patients. So we were saying, what does all that mean? It's a financial channel, you're reading all this, medical mumbo jumbo. It basically means they begin their phase 1 trial of this study. And like I said before, it goes phase 1, 2, 3, and then NDA. So phase 1, they're announcing, the beginning of that. Then when phase 2 comes, which, by the way, these are all catalysts for a stock to move forward. So phase 1 is a catalyst for a stock to move forward. Phase 2 definitely becomes a catalyst, and phase 3 becomes a catalyst. And it's not like these companies automatically get accepted into phase 2. So there's a lot of different, paperwork as well as showing of evidence that has to happen in order for a company to get to phase 2. So looking for the phase 2 will definitely be a good motivator for the stock to go up. And going all the way to NDA will definitely look to see this stock go up as time goes on, and then give more information on this JTX 8064. So going to be keeping a close eye on them and see what updates they can give on this therapy solution. So those are the stocks for this week. Ticker sign OBSV, ticker sign CRNT, ticker sign ACER, and ticker sign AVGR. The last one is ticker sign JNCE. So good luck to everybody out there trading. Thanks for joining the channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.